Today I'll be opening up the Disney Pixie Plush mystery pins. These were released in June of 2024, and they are available in the parks for $39.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. So the pin designs feature various Disney characters as stuffed animals, so it's pretty cool. It looks like you can see all the little stitching and stuff. So this is a 16 pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Koda, Meeko, Scrump, Ray, Morph, Mushu, Sebastian, Gus Gus, Bolt, Pascal, Abu, Pumbaa, Mochi, Pegasus, Chicken Little, and Oliver. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 2 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. So I cannot complete the collection because it is a 16 pin collection. The ones I want the most here are Pascal and probably Mushu, but there are a lot of characters on here that we usually don't see pins of, like Koda and Morph. I mean, you don't really see them very often, even Chicken Little. So I can feel that these are loose in the bag, and this bag is made out of a really strong material. It's very different than the others, and they also don't have a little notch to open it up. So if you're in the parks, you might need someone behind the counter to cut them open for you. All right. Yep, they are loose in the bags. So here we go. Pin 1, we have Pascal. All right. It's always good to start off with the one you want. So we have Pascal here, and Pascal is a stuffed animal, and you can see all the little stitch marks on his legs and his face and his tail and everything. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Okay, so we have Pascal. We're gonna get for pin 2. We have, I just saw him. It is Pegasus. Pegasus is great too in Hercules. So that Pegasus, he's got his like little blue mane, which looks like a mohawk there. Very cool. Okay, the next one is Morph. So this guy is from Treasure Planet, and yeah, I don't know if I've really seen many pins with him on there. So that is pretty cool. Let's see if we get Koda too. You don't really see Koda in many. Hey, there we go. We have Koda. So Koda is kind of tall. He's a lot taller than the rest, it looks like. So he's sitting there, and I can't really see. Oh yeah, I can see the stitching there. It's just got to get it in the right light. Yeah, he is taller. Oh, maybe not. He's about the same height as Pegasus. So pin 5, the last pin for this bag, is Mushu. Awesome. So Mushu there. I can see all the stitching in his belly and his arms. That one's pretty cool. All right. Hey, I got Pascal. I got Mushu. Doing good. Those are the 2 I wanted, right? Now which ones do I want? Okay, so here is the dreaded part. We don't want a duplicate bag, especially when you're paying $40 a bag. You don't want all the same pins. So let's get different pins here. We have Meeko. All right. Meeko has a giant head. He is super cute though. I like that one. Okay, well at least we got one different, right? Let's see if we can keep that going. And we have Scrump. Nice. Now he was already kind of a stuffed animal, right? So he's kind of looking normal. All right, let's keep up the luck here. We have Sebastian. All right. Got the stitching in his claws. Awesome. Okay, 2 more to go. Can we keep them all different? Chicken Little. All right, so I got Chicken Little, Koda, and Morph, the ones that we don't see very often. I remember seeing Chicken Little. I think I've only seen it once, but I remember it being pretty good. All right, and we're down to my last pin. Pin 10. It is Pumbaa. Awesome. I like Pumbaa. Lion King is one of my favorite animated movies, so it's always good to get a character from that. And we have Pumbaa, and that means that I got 10 unique pins. 2 bags, 10 pins. Awesome. It can't get any better than that. So those were the Disney Pixie Plush mystery pins. Which one was your favorite out of these 10? Yeah, you've got a lot to choose from here. And it made it really hard for me to choose a favorite. So I got it kind of down to 2. I think my 2 favorites here are Mushu. I just like all the different colors in that pen, and I like Mushu, so that was kind of my favorite there, but it was right there with Meeko. I love the size of Meeko's head. Super cute pen. But these are all great. These are all super cute pens. And this was a great unboxing for me, getting 10 out of the 16. I mean, I had 2 bags and I got all unique, so you really can't get any better than that. So I am missing 6, and the 6 that I wasn't able to show you today are Ray, Gus Gus, Bolt, Abu, Mochi, and Oliver. So those are the 6 I need to complete this collection. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.